Stellar ZK Kit is a developer toolkit for building zero-knowledge proof flows on Stellar. It starts from a Noir circuit configuration and generates the pieces developers usually have to wire by hand: a Soroban verifier wrapper, TypeScript proof encoding helpers, tests, and a React evidence dashboard.
In this demo, the example circuit is proof of funds. The public input is the minimum balance, while the real balance is a private witness. The browser can prove that the private balance meets the public threshold without revealing that balance to the verifier.
First, we open the README to show the project scope. The toolkit focuses on avoiding common integration mistakes, like mismatched public input order, wrong endingness, and proof byte packing errors.
Next, we open the evidence dashboard. We enter a public minimum of 500 and a private balance of 1,000. The private witness stays local in the browser. Then we generate a real UltraHonk proof using Noir and Barretenberg in the browser runtime.
When the proof is generated, the dashboard shows the encoded proof blob and the public input order used by the verifier. This is the handoff point between the local prover and the Stellar contract verification flow.
Finally, the dashboard shows on-chain evidence from Stellar testnet: the verifier contract, the transaction hash, the ledger, and a Stellar expert link. That proves the same proof of funds circuit has been verified by a deployed Soroban contract.
The important idea is simple. Zero knowledge lets the user prove a statement about private data without exposing the private data itself. Stellar ZK Kit packages that flow so developers can reproduce it safely and quickly.